You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like...
Okay, go ahead and take out your math papers, your math books. We are on page 61, which looks like this. 61. Okay. Right there at the top, you have sumas and restas. You know what to do right now, right? Go ahead and do them. If you've been doing your flashcards, then you should be able to do these with no trouble at all. So go ahead and do them. Pause the video and go ahead and do them. Okay. Next, we have some of the same things that we did yesterday. You have 3 numbers. You have a big one, a small one, and one in between them. Un número pequeño, un número grande, y un número entre los dos. So here we have 3 numbers, 143, 200, and 155. Which number is the smallest, the más pequeño? It's 143, right? So go ahead and write 143 right there. Which one is the biggest, the más grande? 200. So go ahead and put 200 right there. And which one is the one in between them? Which one is the one entre? This one right here, 155. So put 155 there. Okay? See that? Go ahead and do the same thing with these. Go ahead and do it. Okay. Next, we have some animales here. I want you to circle 1/2 of the animals. Mitad de los animales. So how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 animals. Circle 1/2 of them. Mitad. Okay. And then next, they want you to make this thermometer as warm as it is when water turns to ice. When agua turns into hielo. Remember what number that is? 32. 32. So put 32, 32 right there. And then color this in till you get the 32. In case you forgot how this works, remember you start here and you count up. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 20, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Call that up so it says 32. 32. Okay. On the back, I'm going to give you some sumas and some restas. And I want you to write the answers down. I'll say them twice in English and once in Spanish. So you're listening? Listen carefully. Here we go. A. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. 5 más 4. B. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. 2 más 2. C. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5. 1 más 5. D. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. 3 más 4. E. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6. 8 menos 6. F. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. 7 menos 3. Okay. Next, we have counting by tens, fives, and ones. You know how to do this. These are tens, these are fives, and that's a 1. So let's do the first one here together, and then you do this one by yourself. Okay, here we go. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 36. Okay? You do this one by yourself. Okay? Next, we have something new. But we're going to skip it. No, we are going to do it, but I want to take you over to my marker board and do it over there. Okay? So let's finish this page, and then we'll show you how to do this. Okay? It's very easy. So, let's start with this. Okay? This is adding threes again. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is what? Well, what's 3 plus 2? 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6. Then we have 1 plus 5 plus 2. Well, what's 1 plus 5? 6. What's 6 plus 2? 8. Okay? So now you go ahead and do the other ones by yourself. Go ahead, pause the video. Okay? And then we have a question down here. You have 2 birds. One bird has 4 eggs, and one bird has 9 eggs. ¿Cuántos más huevos tiene el segundo ave del primer ave? How many eggs does the second bird have, the first one have? One has 9, and one has 4, and one has 9. So the question is, what is 9 minus 4? 9 menos 4 son... Right, you know the answer. Okay, I'm going to move my computer over to my board now so we can go over this part here. Hang on a second. Okay, we're over at my board now, so I can show you the new thing we're learning here today. It's a new kind of summa. Now, up till now, we've been doing summas like, 5 plus 3 is 8, like that. Or 2 plus 4 is 6, things like that. But, you see here, we have, there's just one number. It's one number here, one number here, one number here. One number here, one number here, one number here. But what if you have 2 numbers? What if you want to add a number that has 2 numbers in it? You have 23 plus 52, so what do? Well, you can count it on your fingers, but you'll be there a while, won't you? And you probably don't have enough fingers. So here's what you do. You add them one number at a time. Let's draw 23 and 52 Those are kind of big numbers, but if we do this, let's draw a line between them. And now you can see this? It's not 23 plus 52 anymore, it's just 3 plus 2. What's 3 plus 2? 3 plus 2 is 5. We go over here, what's 2 plus 5? 7. So what's our answer? Our answer is 75. 75. See how this works? See how this works? Before you're just doing 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 plus 6 is 8. Now, you're starting to add like one of the older kids. Let's do this again so we can just show you how it works. Let's say 41 plus 27 is what? Well, you can try to add 41 and 27 on your fingers, or you can just draw a line through it, like that. And we see here, what's 1 plus 7? 1 plus 7 is 8. What's 4 plus 2? 4 plus 2 is 6. So what's our answer? 68. 68. Do you see how this works? It looks big, but you break it down, and it's really very small. And it makes it very easy. Do it one more time. We'll say 33 plus 7 plus 14. Yeah. We try to add it all together like that, or we can say, what's 3 plus 4? 3 plus 4 is 7. And what's 3 plus 1? 4. So our answer is 47. 47. Now, before we go on and look at our math paper, I want to point something out to you. Okay? Did you notice that every time we added, I always started here? I started here on the derecha, on the right. I did not start on the izquierda. I did not start on the left. Whenever you're adding big numbers like this, you never, ever start here on this side. You always, 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 always start on this side. Always. Always means always. Siempre. Got that? You always, 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 always start on this side. But Mr. Matt, why is that? It's not important for you to know right now. One day, I will tell you why. Okay? Why? ¿Por qué? I will tell you why. But not today. It'll have to be another day. But for now, what I want you to know is you always, 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 always start on this side. Okay? When do you do it? Always. Let's take a look at that first question on your paper. Right there. It's 50 plus 10. Okay? Where do I start? I start here. Because you always, 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 always start on this side. So what's 0 plus 0? Cero más cero. Cero, right? And what's 5 plus 1? 6. So what's our answer here? 50 plus 10 is 60. 50 más 10 son 60. Let's do the next one together. The next one on your paper is 15 plus 20. So, where do I start? Do I start with the 1 plus 2? No, I don't start with the 1 plus 2. I start with the 5 plus 0. Because you always start on this side. What's 5 plus 0? 5. What's 1 plus 2? 3. So our answer is 35. Okay? I'll do the next one with you, and I'll let you do the last one by yourself. The next one is 30 plus 48. What do? Well, we say, what's 3 plus 4? If you said 7, then the answer is because you started in the wrong place. We don't start over here. We always start on this side. 0 plus 8 is what? 8. What's 3 plus 4? 7. So our answer is 78. Okay? See how this works? Okay. And then I will let you do the last one all by yourself. Okay? You do that. And when you're done, you can move on to your matemáticas.